As I stand here looking out into the crowd, all I can think is, wow, look at how far we have come. It was more than a decade ago that our parents sent us out with book bags that were bigger than us, lunch boxes we could barely carry, and a set of rules and morals that would shape us into the adults you see seated here before you today. We jumped onto a school bus to spend half of the day at a kindergarten center. As the bus pulled away, our parents looked at us with tears in their eyes. Whatever the reason for the tears were, they understood what Mark Twain meant when he said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started."